Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 mini, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Apple device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now select Privacy and pick one of those phone's features, like Location. Then scroll down and select one of your apps, for example Calendar. Now pick one of the options for this app. Never ask next time or when I share or while using the app. I will go with never, so now when I go back, I can see that Calendar no longer has access to my device location. If you wish to enable it again, click on Calendar and select one of those options, like while using the app, then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!